pouring out right now, and this is another good reason to have your rain guards. So now you can drive, get a little air, and nothing's coming in. Perfect. Look how dope this window visor looks. Stay tuned. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So from the intro, you can definitely tell what I'm doing. Today, I am doing a sponsored video. Wants to give a huge shout out to Super Auto USA for sending me these beautiful rain guards, wind deflectors, window visors, wind visors, whatever you want to call them. They look freaking fantastic. It's a smoked version, and actually it damn near looks like it matches the Guardian Gray paint on my car. Guys, this is a 2025 Prius LE, and I opted for this instead of the stick-on special. You can because I could have gotten it on Amazon or many other companies. Very few companies make in-channel rain guards for this car. Actually, many companies hardly make in-channel rain guards, you know, period. I've had huge success with rain guards from other companies like Auto Ventshade on my Ram 1500, my Ram 2500, even my Subaru STI. I'll put those videos up so you guys can see them. And these fit perfectly. Just wanted to show you from the intro, this was packaged freaking very well. They cost around 60 bucks. In the box, packing was fantastic, where, you know, I mean, they made sure they give you a big enough box. It was wrapped up with this bubble protector right here. They give you some tips when you're installing. They give you an instruction page, which is actually on my driver's sheet. They give you 12 of these clips, and obviously your rain guards. I know in the instructions they talk about cleaning the window channel down. Okay, so that's one of the first things you're going to do. Obviously, you have to clean your window channel in here. And let me tell you, it gets pretty damn black from just being dirty. Okay, as you can see right here. As you can see right here, that's what I was doing before, because I wanted to install this just to make sure it was perfect. And guys, we are in like the last couple days of April. It's still a little cool outside. Like this morning was like in the 30s, but right now it's around 60 degrees. So this is the best time to do this. If you're in the cold, I would highly suggest doing this with like a heat gun, where you can just warm up the channel and the rubbers around it, so it'll work. Also, I'll link this in the description. This is an adhesion promoter pen. This will come in handy as well and just help everything adhere faster. Okay, so we have the rain guards, we have our clips, and we have the instructions that are on the seat right there. Now, as I said, the first thing you want to do is clean down inside of the channel. You can use something to agitate in there, like a Scotch-Brite, agitate inside of the channel. Then you could use some type of glass cleaner. You can use that, put it on your paper towel, and clean inside of the channel thoroughly. Once it's dry, and it'll dry fast since it's black and it's facing in the sun, it's already dry. Once it's dry, then you do test fitment. Now, you could obviously test this out first just to make sure before you even clean the channel, but we could test this out right here. I could even do this with one hand, and it fits perfectly. Now, if you notice, this looks freaking dull, like it looks like it's dull and scratched up, right? That's because they have a protective film over it. So now, once everything fits, we're good. Now, guys, regarding these clips, they give you enough of them where, you know, I mean, you could put one here, you could put one here. The clips is like, say sometimes due to fitment, sometimes the middle could be a little wobbly or whatever the case might be. That clip pretty much just goes up in the channel, and what you do is, what I did is, you could take a flathead screwdriver. Okay, let's get that real quick. You could take a flathead, just pry in the clip right here on the side, and just slightly raise up that point. Let me show you. So there you go. So you slightly raise up that point slightly, just raise that point up. Now this faces on the inside of the channel, and the smooth part is on the outside facing you. After you put your rain guard or wind deflector in the channel, okay, and you still see like it's looking a little weird, you could put that up in there and push it up with a screwdriver. You push it right up in the channel, and what'll happen is this pointed portion right here is going to grip the rubber in the channel, so it'll prevent it from coming down, and it'll kind of like act as like a buffer, pushing the guard outward, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, so it's super easy, not hard at all. So let me just go through it real quick and I'll show you what I mean. You're gonna see a time lapse. All right guys, so for shits and giggles, I'm gonna put some clips inside of the channel so that you could see it. So you just feel where it is, and you could actually see through it. You could actually see through the window channel. I'll show you in a sec. So see, you could see the clip inside, and I'm going to push it up with the screwdriver, and that's it. And now the clip, it's hooked onto, let me show you. Let's see, can you see it, or is it too bright? And the clip is up there. So the back side now with the pointed portion is hooking on to that rubber so it doesn't fall out. So now that clip adds some type of foundation to the rain guard, if you get what I'm saying. So I'll have one here and I'll put one right here. So now I got one right here and I got one right here. Let's put the window up. That's it. And just leave it up. And that's it. Let me time lapse the other two and I'll see you in a sec. Guys, real quick, two things. When you're taking the white strips off of the 3M tape, be careful you don't rip the entire piece off, meaning the 3M with it. So be careful. And number two, when you are doing the front right here, okay, this piece fits perfectly. When you push it in right here, you'll see what I'm talking about. It goes in like a glove. Okay, let me show you. This piece goes in perfectly right here in this corner. Now you're gonna have some leeway here. Don't be afraid to slightly give it a little bend. And that's it. Okay, now you're definitely gonna need to use some clips in this one. All right, so I'm gonna use 3. All right, I'm gonna use one in here, one here, one here. And we have extra, so you can use them down over there at the bottom too. So it's not a big deal. All right. Guys, just want to let you know, I end up using all the clips. What I did was I end up putting it, so I end up using 4 to the front. Okay, here, 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 and 1 right in here. Okay, right here, you can see it. Can you see it? Right in there. Okay, so pretty much halfway up, I put 1 right there, and it's moving pretty good. Moving up pretty good. Everything is good. All right, guys. I have to blow out most of that pollen and stuff from on top of the car. But look how nice and sleek that looks. It looks freaking beautiful. And the cut is actually precisely this entire piece right here. Came out pretty nice. Came out pretty nice. Take a look at this side. Look how streamlined that looks. And guys, the reason why I wanted to get this is because you don't even realize it. This Prius windshield is so huge. It's bigger than the average windshield because of the angle. And obviously I have no tints on this car. And when my car is parked, I go to work when it's cold, but by the time I get out, it's freaking hot. And I want to have my windows cracked, but I can't, because if any rain or anything falls, guess what? Right inside. So I'm kind of like, I can't wait to get some freaking rain guards for this thing. So guess what? Now I could have it cracked. Okay, you really can't see if it's cracked, and it'll be venting all that hot air out. I can have all 4 windows cracked and I'll be fine. Okay, so guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Super Auto, thank you so much again for sending these to me. Okay, I appreciate it because I definitely needed this, but it looks freaking beautiful. Guys, I will link everything in the description. And as I said before, no seller on Amazon has in-channel rain guards for this. So Super Auto has them. They're a company, I think, based out in California. And, you know, I mean, it's UPS shipping, but it's a ground, so it might take a couple days, but it is what it is. Still looks damn good though. And again, guys, make sure you're doing this in a decent temperature. Okay, once you get it done, okay, make sure you leave your windows up for at least minimum, you know what I mean, I would say, if you have to push it, 1 day, like an entire 24 hours. Like if it's baking in the sun, 24 hours, you should be okay. But I would recommend, you know, 48 to 72 hours, because you want the channel molding and stuff like that molded to the rain guards, and you want maximum adhesion, you know what I'm saying? Also, guys, I will put the adhesion promoter in the description, so you don't need to worry about it, but it looks pretty damn sleek. I don't know how it looks from on the camera, but it's not like black like how my Subaru one is. It's like it's smoked, so it kind of looks like grayish black, so it actually matches really well. Yes. And guys, make sure when you're putting this in, make sure you're looking at all your rubber seals and stuff like that, not to crunch them. Try to slide it. This can slide right in between both of these here. See that? Right in between that, slide right in, and you're straight. But as I said, guys, it's a pretty tight fit. Again, definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And Super Auto, once again, thank you for sending me these. And guys, I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.